Hello, beautiful sewing friends. It's me, Alice Murray. Welcome to my channel, Murrmade Designs, where supposedly every day I show you some new garments I made. You may have noticed that I have taken a week off. Well, I had a little tumble onto a cement sidewalk and smacked my face and hurt my arm. And couldn't sew for a few days. That was hard. So I'm back at it. So we're going to do something really fun. We are going to do 10 days, 10, not a week, 10 days of 1 meter garments for $75. 10 days for $75. Let's see if we can do it. So I'll show you the first garment and then we'll talk about it. It is this very cute knit top. It is McCalls. Easy McCalls, it's called. 2254. So it's got a very simple line drawing. You can make it with a straight neckline. It has raglan sleeves. You can make it with a V neckline or a curved neckline, and with short sleeves or long sleeves. And I made version D. Now, something you're going to notice about version D is that actually the neckline comes all the way over here. Well, that wasn't going to work for me. So I sewed the raglan sleeves to the neckline. I made this bunchy bit here. But I couldn't wear it with it all the way over here. No, my underwear would be showing. That is no good. But this is a very neat pattern. This is the back piece. It says not to put it on the fold, but I did. But it has the sleeve cut right on. And then you just sew the front of the raglan part on it, and you sew the front on it, which you put on a fold. You just fold this over and you just fold this over and finish it. So very super duper easy, except for the part where it was too wide, and so I sewed it up. I am wearing this top with my favorite linen pants that I made several months ago. I will link that video at the end of this video if you want to hear about them. So I made this out of 1 meter of knit fabric. It is from Fabric Mart, and it is called, are you ready for this? Black, tan, flax, seashell, soft peach, cotton lycra, lilies on chains. Price $6.59 a meter. It's actually a yard. A yard is actually smaller than a meter. And I bought 1 yard. And it was 60 inches wide. 60-inch wide, 1 meter, really easy to get a top out of. You can even get sleeves. So that worked very well. You can see the lilies on chains. It has this seam up the sleeve where you sew the front raglan to the back bit. And you just fold over all of this and just hem it. So very easy peasy 1 meter top. for $6.59. Yes, $6.59. So that is make number 1 in my 10 Marvellous 1 meters for $75. And today in my grateful thread, I just want to say that I'm grateful when I took that tumble on the sidewalk. My dear husband was here. He rescued me. I broke nothing, just some bumps and bruises that just took a bit of time to get over. And yeah, could have been worse. I fell on a sidewalk about 10 years ago and broke a couple ribs. So yeah. So thank you for patiently waiting for me. And I think we are going to have some fun in these next 10 days. And I hope that you are sewing and that there's nothing that's keeping you from doing it. Because sewing is so much fun.